In this video, we're going to be cleaning my FK8 Type R steering wheel, and we are going to transform the look of my steering wheel from this dirty, shiny look to brand new and clean again. Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today's video is going to be about my Type R because we are actually going to be cleaning up the steering wheel. So I believe that the steering wheel is made of Alcantara. So we are going to be trying out this product right here. It's the Sonax Alcantara and upholstery cleaner, and it should be pretty easy to clean my steering wheel with this. So this says that it does remove odors, and obviously it's going to clean the steering wheel as well. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, what my steering wheel actually looks like. So I've been driving this car for a little over a month. So you can see right here that the Alcantara is kind of standing up here, and then down here it looks kind of worn and shiny, like right there. So the 2020 and the 2021 Civic Type Rs do come with an Alcantara steering wheel. And the 17 to the 2019, I believe, came with like a pressed leather or something. It looks really nice. This steering wheel looks like a race car steering wheel. It does look nice, but this material will be more prone to having sweat and oils from your hand basically stick to it and make it look kind of shiny like that. Like you could see right here in the back more, it just looks a little more natural up there too. But then right here, you can see that it's shiny and it's just laid down. I really want to get rid of that look and clean it up, make it look a lot better. And it does look a little dirty over here too. I do drink coffee in my car a lot. I don't know if maybe it was from like condensation from drinks and stuff on my hands. I'm sure when you're driving a car, the dust and everything that blows around in here is probably not good for this Alcantara as well. So I am going to be cleaning it up, guys. The interior is looking great, but I can use this Sonax on the seats as well, I believe, which would be nice. And I am going to vacuum in here as well, but I definitely need to clean the steering wheel up and make sure it looks brand new and take care of it. A lot of people that have Alcantara steering wheels do actually drive with driving gloves. And I did think about it, but I'm not sure if I would do that. I don't know. But I do feel bad when I am driving and my hands are sweaty and I'm touching all over the steering wheel. It's just an amazing steering wheel. It looks really nice, but obviously it does need some cleaning. So we're going to clean this up right now, guys. So really quick, this is the before. It does look really dusty, and I do have a carbon fiber piece I am going to be installing right there, guys. It is on the way. It should be here soon. I will be installing that in a future video. But yeah, it's time to clean this up. Let's check out the instructions on the Sonax and see what it says. Okay, so the bottle says shake bottle before use. Vacuum off coarse dirt. Basically, it says to rub in with a brush, moist sponge or cloth to penetrate the dirty areas. Let sit 5 to 10 minutes. Wipe off released dirt with a clean and moist microfiber cloth. And then it says rinse cloth with water in between. Repeat until there is no dirt visible. So basically, guys, I'm going to vacuum this really quick first. The instructions seem pretty simple. So what I'm going to do first is obviously I'm going to vacuum the area. Going to vacuum out my interior really quick just because I do drive with my windows down a lot. So after I am done vacuuming, I am going to start cleaning the steering wheel and applying the Sonax, and I'll let you guys see the process as we go. All right, so I just cleaned my whole interior, vacuumed all of it. It looks much better and much cleaner. The seats look great as well. Okay, so as you can see, I did vacuum the steering wheel pretty well, and it looks pretty normal all the way around until you get right here. It is so flat right here and laid down that it actually looks like it's scratched. So yeah. This steering wheel definitely needs some cleaning, guys. Okay, so the first step is to shake the bottle, and then it says to apply the foam to dirty or soiled areas evenly. I'm going to use a cloth, this cloth right here. It's a soft microfiber. And then it just says, let sit 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. Obviously, I will be actually cleaning the whole steering wheel. So I think it's about time that I start. I'm going to apply it with this cloth really quick, and we'll be back. All right, so we are done with actually cleaning the steering wheel. Now we're going to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, I believe it said. I'll have to reread that, but I'll show you guys what it looks like really quick. It does look cleaner, but it also looks like kind of wet and kind of dirty as well. Yeah, that red is not looking very good. I really hope it turns out good. Up here looks really, well, it looks a lot cleaner. It's starting to look like it is a little bit cleaner, at least the top part right there, but that part wasn't dirty anyway. These parts right here were a little dirty and they look pretty dirty, so we're going to be waiting a few minutes, then I'm going to clean it up. Let's read the instructions really quick, see what it says. All right, so it says let sit for 5 to 10 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do. So in a couple minutes, I will start wiping it down. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it is done, but that is what it looks like right now, guys. Obviously, it's not super clean, but it is looking a little better than it was before. I really hope it turns out great because the steering wheel is amazing. So I'll see you guys when it's done. So after just a few minutes of cleaning the steering wheel, it is already looking much better. Check that out, guys. So it is not dry yet, so the red is not going to pop as much as it should. So I am going to let it dry for maybe a day. Maybe I'll drive it tomorrow night. And this side did end up standing up like it should. If you look right here, it actually looks almost uniform and the same. Obviously it is not dry, so it's not going to look perfect yet, but if you guys check it out, it looks really good. The spot that was really laid down and dirty right here looks much better. The red looks better. All of it looks great, guys. I have to say that Sonax really worked well. It seems to have basically restored my steering wheel to brand new. It's not even dry yet, so I'm pretty sure when it's dry, it's going to look a lot better. It does say on the bottle to use a gentle brush to get the Alcantara to stand up again, but I just used the microfiber cloth and just gently went around it just to kind of brush it and get it to stand up a little bit. And I think it looks really good. If you guys check that out, I think it looks great. It is definitely much better. This is like way better than it was before. It was actually kind of dirty on the red. The red was looking dirty. This is not even dry yet, and the red looks way better. And this is what the steering wheel looks like after a day of drying. It actually looks brand new again, and the red definitely does pop a lot more. The Alcantara is definitely much cleaner. It stands up a lot more, and it just looks cleaner and feels cleaner. I am very happy about this. If you guys are looking into cleaning your steering wheel on your Type R, I definitely recommend this product, and I will be using it in the future.